everyone, welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Guys, I will be doing sour cream egg. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, share the video and hit the notification bell so you will be the first to know when D Dawn is doing a video. And to all my supporter, YouTuber, follower, and subscriber, a very big, warm welcome to you all. Let's get started. 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon Chiaseed, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons butter. When the butter is melted, you're supposed to get like 2 to 3 tablespoons. A piece of green onion. We're just using this part here, from here to here. And the sour cream, the star of the show, 3 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons of sour cream. So the butter, I'll be putting it on the stove so it can melt. Gonna add the sour cream to the egg, the black pepper, Chiaseed. Let me get some salt in. Already rinsed green onion or scallion, so you're just gonna cut, slice it open, and we're adding this to the eggs. And now you're gonna whisk the egg until it becomes light and fluffy. And this is fairly a new recipe from D Dawn Kitchen. Sour cream scrambled eggs. So when you finish, it's supposed to be watery, running like this. So we're going over to the stove now. So remember, this is a butter in a pot, and we're gonna pour our egg in now. And just wanna mix it around. Yeah, I'm using a non-stick pot. You don't want it to go too much on the side. At this time, you're just gonna turn the fire off, and the heat from the frying pan will finish to the egg. You're watching this video today and you like what you see, please be sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D Dawn is doing a video. So now guys, look at this. Our sour creamy egg is now ready for eating, and you can serve it on a slice of bread. So at the bottom there, that brown thing you're looking on is a slice of bread. So hopefully you enjoy it. Give it a try, beautiful people, and take care of yourself. Peace and love. I see you on the next one. It's breakfast. Sour creamy egg by D Dawn. It's new. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Peace and love.